Magical Gems Game Review. Is this match game worth playing? If you've come across the Magical Gems game and are wondering whether it's a match-style puzzle game worth your time, this review will walk you through what the game offers, how it plays, and important factors to consider before you download and start playing. Magical Gems Game is presented as a mobile puzzle game where players match gems, complete levels, and unlock new stages as they progress. The appeal comes from its colorful aesthetics, match-3 mechanics, and the sense of satisfaction you get when lining up big combinations. Getting started with Magical Gems usually involves downloading the app, launching it, and jumping into early levels that teach the basic match mechanics. The interface is generally intuitive, with simple touch controls that make it easy to slide and swap gems. However, easy controls alone don't guarantee long-term engagement. One of the biggest things players look for in match-style games is whether the difficulty curve stays interesting without feeling repetitive. Good puzzle games balance challenge and reward, gradually introducing new elements and obstacles that keep players engaged. If levels feel too similar or lack meaningful progression, players may lose interest over time. Monetization methods are also a key consideration. Many free puzzle games use ads, in-app purchases, or energy systems that can interrupt gameplay or encourage spending. If these elements are too intrusive, they can take away from the fun. User feedback and reviews are helpful when judging a game's worth. Verified player reviews that mention enjoyable gameplay, fair challenge, progression, and stable performance are positive signs. Generic or overly positive comments with little detail make it harder to trust the game's overall quality. Here's a quick look at the pros and cons. Looking at the pros, Magical Gems offers colorful match-3 puzzle gameplay that's easy to pick up and play, with intuitive controls that suit players of all experience levels. Its increasing challenge can keep casual gamers entertained during short play sessions. On the downside, the cons focus on repetition and monetization. Some levels may feel repetitive after extended play, and ads or frequent in-app purchase prompts can interrupt the experience. Limited verified user feedback also makes it harder to judge long-term engagement and overall legitimacy. In summary, the Magical Gems game can be worth playing if you enjoy casual match-3 puzzles and want something colorful and easy to play in short bursts. However, repetitive level design and interruptions from ads and monetization mean it's best suited for players looking for light entertainment rather than deep, long-term puzzle mastery.